Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a space shooter game. So now let's start. First, delete the cat sprite, paint another sprite. So paint a spaceship like whatever you like. Okay, for an example. Okay. Okay. What ending? Okay. Okay. Fill up with color yellow. Yep. Yeah, for example, this is mine. My spaceship. The for the size, I want 80. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, we need to duplicate it. So this is our enemy, and this is me. And then for the enemy, I want to color it red. And for me, it's yellow, and I want to turn this 180 degrees so it can face to face. Look, see? Then, okay. So it's time to go. First, go to the sprite tool. Then, go to the events menu. Drag out the when space key pressed. Change the space into right arrow. Duplicate it. Change the right arrow into left. Go to the control. Drag the repeat until block. Go to the operators. The not block, and in sensing, drag out the key space press. Yeah, like this, and we change the space like this. This is right arrow, and this should be right arrow too. Wait, no, not left arrow, right arrow. Just right arrow too, and go to the motion menu. Drag out the move. No. Here we get a negative, and so now that it, wait, oh yeah, I forget to change this to left. Okay, so now that it can move, I want to pick the backdrop first. Maybe stars, yeah, that look cool. And for the sprite one, it's our enemy, and for it moved by itself, go to the events menu, drag out the when green flag click, and go to the control menu and drag out the forever. Then we need to pause this, drag our enemy ship in here. Then, yep, we put it. Then drag it in here again. I mean in here. Okay, and Okay, it's done, but it only do one time. See, and it's too fast, so we'll do five and replace this again. And we just copy this, just need a minus 2 5 and 7 7. Okay, 7 7 2. No, okay. So this is done. Let's try. Okay. Yep, it's done. Now that it is done, we need to add an actor again. Let's fill this with yellow color maybe, and this should be good. Okay, so this is for the foods and no, that's 30. Okay, just need duplicate, and for this red. See it match. So that's all for today, guys. This is the end of part 1. See you guys at the part 2 of the video, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you enjoy it, please share it. So bye.